Y'all, we have an unboxing that we have to take care of. Actually, it's going to be 3. This is probably going to be the last unboxing of the year. Because I don't know, I'm probably likely going to have to order something right after Christmas or in the next week. But I probably won't video it. So, here we go. Unboxing. This is actually a distributor unboxing. One of you guys sent me something, I guess for Christmas. And also a customer sent some mortise locks to be worked on. So let's take a look at all 3 of them. Here, look, here comes Kim. Boop, boop, boop.
Oh, that's boop, a hard boop.
Boop, boop.
No, it's boop, boop.
And let's start off with the actual work stuff. Actually, 2 work stuff. We'll start off with what the customer sent. I have to make a key for one of these because this is, ooh, beautiful. They're beautiful. Look at that. We're gonna have to make a cool video out of that, y'all. These are pocket door locks too. Oh, look at that. Ha! Boing, boing, boing. I think one of these is missing a spring or something. Huh. Interesting. Missing a bolt or something. I don't know, but pocket door locks, beautiful, very beautiful. So screenshot, and after that, I made keys for those guys. Hopefully it's the same key, more than likely it is. But we have cut away from yourself. The distributor unboxing that we got to take care of here. Hope everybody's doing well. It is Monday right before Christmas. And those of you who are off work are lucky. Yay! Got it open. All right, yellow paper and shredded invoices. So let me get rid of these real quick. Crazy guys with their shredded invoices. Alrighty, we have C9100 as always. C9100s. Have a couple of US3 just to restock in the truck, just for light restocking. Make sure I have at least a couple. I think I'm down to 1 of the bright brass, and I've got like 3 of the antique brass. So I just kind of, as I sell them, like I sold 2 of these, so just added 2 into the order. Box of CO88s. I wish I would have had this about 5 hours ago. And a couple of 25 series or 25R. That means the cylinder can be switched out. These are good for light interior use when somebody needs like a Sargent keyway or something like that. They don't necessarily need a grade 2 or heavier grade. They just need it to basically block a door. So yes, really these things just go straight to my vehicle in the appropriate section. We're going to hang up the beautiful CO88 Elko keys and the 9100. But right now, Kim's leaving. Okay.
Bye, guys. I just thought I'd wait. You said no. Bye, guys. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.
Let's just move this out of the way for right now, because this is all boring. We don't care about work stuff. All we do care about fun gifts. Fun gifts. So, let's see, here we go. That's it. I'm gonna start right there. This is wildly dangerous. I hate this machete. Because you can't, like, a lot of times you have blades where you can choke up on it, but you really can't because of those serrations. It's not a great unboxing knife, I'll tell you that. Okay, let me get a rolling. Not nearly as fun, but probably much safer. I don't need an injury this Christmas. Very well packaged. Tell you what, I injure myself more with these. I probably would be safer, honestly, with that thing. Oh, my favorite, a Plano case. I love these Plano cases. Thank you. Yay! Oh, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I got the official paperwork in here. Let's see. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Let me read the note real quick. Hold on. Oh, Christmas card. Thank you. Thank you, Darcy. Appreciate this. Awesome, awesome Canadian candy. Canadian candy. Oh, that's awesome. You know, I love the... Wait, is that what I think it is? Oh, it's not what I think it is. I thought that was something different, but I was thinking it was those strawberry things. We're used to seeing... when we see this red in the U.S., and kind of... I didn't see the green part of it when I looked in there first. We're used to those little strawberry candies, especially now. Werther, Kim loves these. I do too. Yum. Werther, but I know what those taste like. And oh, look, keys. Oh, yay, keys, more. 1659s. I can definitely use those. Hold on. But that's no fun. These, I don't know what. Okay, hold on. These are soft. All right, let's try a Macintosh. A Macintosh. Looks like caramel. Oh, it's like soft caramel. I love soft caramel. Thank you. Chocolate balls. I don't know what kind of chocolate balls those are. But I just want to say that this is a very excellent use of a Plano container. But I just want to say that this is a very excellent use of a Plano container. Excellent. A full-size bar of something. Hold on. Two. Oh my God, it's overall. Kim's gonna love that. And more blanks. Awesome. No! Candy down. This is, I don't know what's buried underneath these. Let me make sure. Oh yeah, the little dividers. Awesome. Thank you, Darcy. We appreciate that. If I tell Kim what's in there. Toblerones, those are actually, she's going to score on the Toblerones. And these things look great. These are actually going to go in stockings. Kim probably won't watch this video until after Christmas. So it'll be like a Christmas surprise to her too, because she doesn't know what's in there. So thank you, we appreciate that. I'm gonna put these blanks up and the other stuff. Merry Christmas to everybody. Thanks for watching our final, no wait, it's not, we're not done, hold on. I think Kim may have over-ordered on the mailbox lock this time. Well, we won't have to order any for a week or two, maybe. Maybe we'll make it into the new year with them. All right, yeah, keep blanks. Hey, I actually used all of these on a job. I probably should have ordered those, but I got tons of originals. I hate using my antique originals, but definitely need a new yellow. Let me see if I have another yellow. All right, we're just gonna get this sorted. Oh, no, stay. Yeah, go up there. Get this sorted now that we are down to not many. No, we're not at the shoe shop. I'll say that. Yes. Okay, we'll get rid of all these. And go ahead and do this one as well. Old, faded out. 1001 EH, and hang this behind it. Let's see, right there. There we go. original. We can actually use that for that. And I can't really use these other ones. The other side had Sergeant LDH. Who stocks a Sergeant LDH? And a Falcon Fluggeval G. Fluggeval G. Wait, where'd my keys go? Here they are. So these particular hooks hold about 30. So we're going to grab about 3 bags out. Y'all didn't hear that. So depending on what mood I'm in, I'll either individually, Y'all didn't hear that. I'm gonna do that now because my little fumbly fingers right now. 6 pin Z1 66, A1001, EH, AKA, CO88, AKA, Corbin Russ 160 keyway, AKA, AKA, Corbin. AKA CB27R, AKA 22Z2. I knew there were more. I just couldn't think of them. Yeah, that one's dirty. So as you can see, we hold exactly 30. We could squeeze in 2 more, but I'm not going to cut open a bag for that. Here's good enough. There. Good job. Upon further review of the key blanks that Darcy included with the candy, is 1659 and 1669. Actually, 2 different Canada Post keys, and I still had a handful of these. That's okay because that fills my hook out. We sell these. They're getting more and more random. I guess global commerce and all that. However, 1669. This drives me crazy with the orange board numbers because obviously this is the exact same key. Let's hold them up side by side. Except for one minor difference. I don't know what that difference is. Let's see. We talked about this before. I do remember talking about it. Very minute. Okay, so the 59 is longer. Looks like one whole wafer. Because I think these are wafer locks. But the 16. Wait, is it the shoulder? No, the shoulder is. Basically, from the shoulder to the tip, it's just shorter. So this would be the 1669 would be maybe just a shorter blank. But you could always cut it down. Maybe that just saves you from having to cut it down. However, oh my gosh, it goes 1669. That means 2 of the exact same blank. Basically, 6 pin and then 5 pin down here are going to squeeze in where they could, which would have been between the FFFL. You know, and I try to order this one all the time. The Richelieu, 1668. I've not been able to get my hands on that. Every time, you know, the one place I hadn't ordered who probably has it is, I can't think of the name of them, but I hadn't ordered from them lately. So, what I'm going to do right now is pull the Richelieu. No big deal because I haven't sold any or I haven't seen any that were needed. And I guess I'm just going to replace it with 1669 until I can get my hands on The Richelieu. So I better write it on here. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna have to alert Kim to that. Luckily, we're up and down. If we zoom out, look at this. This is incredible coinky dinky. Incredible coinky dinky. I need a tag for that one, as a matter of fact. Directly above and each other. And that is up until I find some Richelieus. But I'm not worried about them right now because that's what we got. Okay, are we done? Think we're done. I'm gonna go eat some candy. The one that I haven't tried yet is this guy. Besides the candy bar, I'll have to let you know later. Looks strawberry and apricot. Looks like apricot and strawberry. So, oh, it's one of those little cream candies. Look, yeah, it's probably, yeah, strawberries and cream. We have these. I like them. Thank you. We appreciate it. Kim's really gonna appreciate it if I show her. Anyway, last unboxing of the year, y'all. We're done. I'm not gonna do any more unboxings for 2019. So thanks for watching all of the unboxings. I know they're kind of goofy to some people. Like, why do you do them? Because, you know, whatever. It's part of being a locksmith is unboxing stuff. And part of being a YouTuber, getting fun stuff. Thanks again. Merry Christmas. I'm going to try my best to get this uploaded today or tonight. But we're going to dinner tonight. So I don't know if I can or not. Anyway, happy Monday, happy week. Merry Christmas. If you didn't see me in live or whatever. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.